Glass cleaner, super, super simple. That's one thing that vinegar is really, really good for. So you're going to do distilled water. And the reason you want distilled is because when you have any trace minerals or any other components in the water, that's what contributes to a lot of the streaking. So you're going to use some distilled water, a couple tablespoons of vinegar, and then essential oils of your choice to give it a little bit of scent. Ideally, those citrusy ones are going to be the best. Use it in a glass spray bottle. Works like a charm. Love it. You could also use this for a general cleaner too. And then finally, for a scrub, without having to make your own, this is the best stuff in the world here. Like, it's awesome. Super natural, very simplistic ingredients, and non-toxic. Like, if you need some kind of a scrub, I really do. I'm barefoot all the time, so sometimes I do need to scrub the bottom of my shower because it gets really dirty. And I use that. I have for a couple of years now. All right. And then finally, fragrances. Unless you guys have something different, actually, Arnica found this really cool little homemade thing that you can put in a saucepan with some water, a lemon, some cucumbers. I think there's some mint leaves in it, and you simmer that and just let that simmer, and that's a good air freshener. But aside from that, a really good quality essential oil would be awesome. I'm a doTERRA, whatever you call it, wellness advocate or something like that. I used to try to really pump up the essential oils. I tried to be a big believer in them. And if you are, that's great. But I don't think that they're these miracle cure agents like a lot of people feel they do. I think they can be useful symptomatically, but I think the best use of them is for air fresheners because it's completely plant-based, very high quality, distilled, free of toxins. I love doTERRA because they have quality control reports on every batch they do. Now, every time you get a bottle from doTERRA, it has a little code on it. You can go to the website, punch in the number, and you can actually see the testing results for that specific bottle, which is really cool. So that's what you usually smell when you come in my office. So the only thing that I recommend for air freshener is essential oils. You can put it on a rag, you can wipe things down using lemon or something like that, very fresh, or put it in the diffuser.